Hello, my name is Dr. Anton Decker, President, International, Mayo Clinic. Thank you for joining Dubai Expo 2020. We're delighted to be part of this event. Dubai Expo 2020 is taking place at such an important moment in time. All of us, throughout the world, have been through an historic and challenging time. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected us personally and in our communities. It continues to test all aspects of our health systems and show us our weaknesses and, indeed, our strengths. Without a doubt, the pandemic has taught us 3 lessons to guide the future of healthcare. First, the world needs trusted sources of information and knowledge. We need to know where to turn to with our questions, and we need assurance that our health information is supported by high-quality research. Second, we have observed that the world innovates better when we work together and share knowledge. Just think about it for a moment. Several vaccines were created in record time. This is what we are capable of when we collaborate. Third, we've learned in real time the world is ready for new models of healthcare, integrating new virtual tools that connect us throughout the world. For Mayo Clinic, the sharing of knowledge goes back to our founding more than 150 years ago. Doctors Will and Charlie Mayo were brothers, and both were gifted surgeons. They traveled the globe not only to share knowledge, but more importantly, to learn. In an era when a trip across the ocean would take several weeks, they left the small town of Rochester, Minnesota, to visit medical centers around the world. They taught the surgeries in which they excelled, and they learned new practices they could bring back to their patients. They also invited others to come to Rochester to learn about Mayo Clinic's innovations, including the first group medical practice and the first centralized medical record. It was their vision for integrated care between medical specialists that established the groundwork for the Mayo Clinic model of care. They also established Mayo Clinic's mission, which still guides us today. The needs of the patient come first. The same type of information sharing has been essential during the pandemic. The last year has shown us that we must continue curing diseases, connecting with more people, and transforming healthcare by taking the Mayo model of care to the world. We take seriously our role to be a trusted source of information and knowledge, and we continue to provide contemporary evidence-based information for our patients and also online for people who look to us worldwide. We are expanding the concept of connecting and transforming healthcare through the development of the Mayo Clinic platform. This new endeavor is a collection of digital strategies to increase information sharing for research and innovation. Through the Mayo Clinic platform, we are working with partners and creating means to gather troves of data within a framework that connects scientists and innovators. And, as virtual care has expanded during the pandemic, we're also taking the Mayo model of care to the world in new dimensions. For instance, we're developing new approaches in hybrid care, so patients can connect with a physician in their local area, and we can facilitate specialty care through digital technology. After all, the need for specialty care for complex and serious conditions has continued throughout the pandemic. We've remained on course to address those issues, providing patients with definitive answers. We're also creating partnerships in patient care throughout the world. At the moment I'm taping this greeting, we're celebrating the first-year anniversary of Mayo Clinic's partnership with Sheikh Shaboot Medical City in Abu Dhabi. The opening of this flagship hospital a year ago marked the start of a carefully planned transformation into a premier destination medical center for the people of Abu Dhabi, the UAE, the Gulf region, and beyond. As the Mayo brothers did more than a century ago, we're also learning through our partnership, gaining understanding about the unique concerns of the region, learning more about the populations where we work with collaborators, and expanding medical knowledge through the exchange of data. So, what's next? Mayo Clinic has a long history of being the trusted source of medical knowledge, treating patients from all corners of the world and learning from our patients and the medical community. Our mission remains perennial: the needs of the patient come first. Collectively, we must now continue to address the major health challenges facing the world through the sharing of data, knowledge, and talent. We look forward to new partnerships as we bring hope and healing to the world. Thank you for joining Expo 2020 and checking out the USA Pavilion. We hope to see you there. And looking ahead to future expos, as many of you already know, a group from Minnesota has been working for a decade to bring a World Expo to Minnesota. Minnesota and the United States are global leaders in healthcare and are eager to host a 3-month-long event in 2027, focused on the theme of good health and well-being and healthy people, healthy planet. This exciting initiative will allow health experts from around the world to come together to develop innovative solutions for the most pressing health challenges. All of us at Mayo Clinic are looking forward to being a part of this effort and supporting deeper global collaboration as we build a healthier future for all.